Hello guys, welcome to LNGUA YouTube channel or welcome back to LNGUA YouTube channel. This is our Lezione 9. If you don't know what Lezione 9 means, you can follow our course from the first lesson. So you will learn what Lezione means, and you will learn many important basic things in Italian language. So in this lesson, we are going to learn Verbo Essere, be verb or verb be, and their pronunciation and some new words. So let's begin. Io sono means I am. Tu sei, you are. Egli è, or we can say lui è, lei è, or egli è, which means he, she, it is. And as there is apostrophe on e, we pronounce this as a, and it's different than the a. And the a without the apostrophe it means and with the apostrophe it means is. And noi siamo, which means we are, and voi siete means you are. Essi sono or loro sono means they are. So let's repeat them again. Io sono, tu sei, egli è, noi siamo, voi siete, essi sono. If you guys have any question regarding to this lesson, you can obviously send me an email for the explanation so I can explain them, or you can obviously subscribe to my course, or you can buy my course, which is really, I will teach you very important basic stuff, and I will help you to uh, be an Italian student. So which means I will contact some Italian college, and I will bring some scholarships for you. So keep that in mind. So let's continue with some examples. Io sono, which means I am, Mario. Io sono Mario. Tu sei Mario. So we in Italian we can say like in English we say I'm 19 years old, but in Italian we can say io sono 11 anni. It's completely wrong. I in this lesson I don't want to say how old I am in Italian, because I don't want to confuse you. I will teach you that in the next lessons, obviously. So io sono Mario. You can say like you can say I am beautiful. Io sono bello. I am Maria. Io sono Maria. I am a student. Io sono uno studente. So far. So tu sei Mario. Tu sei studente. Tu sei bello. Lui è Mario. Lei è Jessica. Noi siamo un gruppo. In the next slide I will explain what this means. Un gruppo means one group. Un stand for one and gruppo stand for group. So noi siamo un gruppo. Voi siete un gruppo. Essi sono un gruppo. Obviously it depends on we can add several new words, but I don't want you guys confused at the moment, because learning a new language is not easy thing, so I can understand you. So let's move slowly. Otherwise, we will never able to understand anything. So yeah. So nuove parole. Nuove means new. Parole means words. Verbo is a verb. Essere means be. So nuove, new, parole, words. Un gruppo, one group, which un means one and gruppo stand for group. So let's repeat them again. Verbo, essere, nuove, parole, un gruppo. So that's all I have for today, guys. And today we learned verbi, pronuncia, e nuove parole. Thank you guys for watching this new lesson. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, subscribe to it and click on the bell icon so you can receive our new lessons once we upload them. And obviously follow us on Instagram so you can learn some new words every day. Thank you guys. See you. Have a nice day. Buona giornata e buona serata.